Crafting the perfect homepage. Essential tips for freelancers and YouTubers. Homepage is the first impression. So I'm going to show you guys how we about to get our websites ready for the summer. Okay, ready for the winter. Whenever your goal is, just make sure you follow this video, like the video, and let's get straight into it. What's up, what pop, y'all? It's your girl, Sultry Accessory. Go-to channel for personal branding, digital design, and customization tips. Ooh, I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. When we're entrepreneurs and we are solopreneurs and we're freelancers, we have so many things going on. I would finish my website by the summer, and I'm really gunning for mid-July. You don't want to know how long it took me to do this shit. But I told myself summertime. Okay, let's go. So here we are. Connect with fellow creatives, learn new skills, and launch a memorable brand of your own. For who I am targeting, okay? What are they going to find here? That is it, right there. It is. So you have the logo, you have what I call myself a digital accessorizer. For layman's terms, a digital designer. As you're displaying your visual elements, with your visuals, you want people to immediately know what it is that you offer. Like a YouTube banner, because I actually make people's YouTube banners, and then I also help you lay out your YouTube channel designs. For optimization, a full thought out YouTube channel, so it seems like you're on YouTube with a purpose, for people to click on your videos more, and so that it also helps you to know who your audience is, what they want to see, and what videos you should be focused on making. Okay, so because my audience is aspiring freelancers, aspiring YouTube content creators, making a video right now talking about what should be included on their websites. So I have this right here, and it looks like a YouTube banner. It's me of my workspace, my actual desk, how I'm an illustrator, and I make digital accessories. And if you don't know what digital accessories are, it's basically digital products, but I focus on making accessories. So whatever I draw is either an accessory or it's of an accessory. Because it's a digital sticker, and stickers are accessories. Y'all get it? Okay. So my niche is accessorizing, but when I do my art, it's of accessories. And then I also provide digital downloads, but I call them digital accessories. Y'all get that? Not digital products. Okay. So for you and your website, have visuals that tie into whatever it is that you're doing. Like let's say you're a freelance lawnmower, okay? What you want to have the result that your customer wants to get. You also want to show them your equipment that you use. You can also show them, like, you can have a blog on your website that gives them more resources and more insight on what the best tools are to use. And that's what I do here on Sultry Accessory. I show you guys what tools are the best for you guys to use for digital design purposes. Speaks to your audience. As soon as they start scrolling down your page, you want to start talking to your audience. Engage with them. Act like you know them, because you've researched your target market and you know what their pain points are. You know exactly what they're searching for, what they're looking for, what they need. Why do they have that pain point? How long have you had that pain point? Why it needs to get wiped away? How is your product, how is your service going to be that solution for them? And what is the result that they'll get after they've chosen you, after they've trusted you with what you can provide for them? Okay, so I have this right here. It automatically goes to watch my YouTube channel, because that is where most of all tips and all customization information is going to be, which is on here, my YouTube channel. So make sure you guys are subscribed, okay? So boom, so I go into detail for accessory, and I'm going to help you through tutorials and easy to follow courses to help you get started with digital design. That'll help you launch your brand so that you don't feel stuck with that dream of being a YouTuber that you've always had, but helping you implement that goal through digital design. And why do people need digital design with their brand? Why do people need digital design with YouTube? Well, there's YouTube banners, there's YouTube thumbnails, there's playlists. It's branding goes all into it. So it's all inclusive into digital design. Services and the courses. And so I'm going to be tweaking these. I want all of my headlines to be pink and it's black right now. Make it so that people already know what they're going to expect as soon as they get on your homepage. I don't want any guessing games. We want it to be very clear, very concise. They know exactly what it is that you do. They know exactly what it is they can get from you. And they know that you have the solution. They want to trust and feel like you have the solution to their problem that they always wanted to be fixed. And sometimes they didn't even think they needed a solution to their problem. And comment down below anything that you guys are having trouble with when it comes to creating a website. Write in the comments below and I would love to address whatever that it is that you are having struggles with this video. I do have a service called Design Critiques. I have one for web pages and I have one for YouTube channels. And I also teach you guys how to make a link page, not a regular boring looking link page. So Design Critiques, visual design, proofreading, the service you never knew you needed. You've always dreamed of building a personal brand around your passion. You've crafted a unique style and attitude and a product and service that you're eager to share with the world. You're full of excitement. You've sat down at your laptop to create a website, but what goes on it? Will visitors understand your message? Do you not know how to lay out? Like, what is the layout of your website going to be? Are you feeling overwhelmed yet? Well, that's where Searching Accessory Design Critiques come in. What you'll get is a similar service, but it's for YouTube channels. Okay, like I want to launch it on July the 22nd. Okay, but if you guys want this service and you want to be first in line, and then I'll give you like a link so you can like sign up, just be on a wait list. Okay, subscribe to the channel, watch the playlists. Okay, and I'll see you in my next one. It's your girl Searching Accessory.
Got some rats and I was still got them cats in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these reckons too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture, bro. Make the braid, this nigga's like getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to